Hello, everyone. Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I wanted to give you a quick tip on how you can take client testimonials and add them to your agent website. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to share my screen and we will go into command. And when you're in command, you're going to go to consumer at the bottom left here. And once you're here, you're going to click on the blue create a new page button at the top right. And then make sure you leave it on my agent site here. Okay. Create page. First thing to do is to rename this page so that way you can easily find it later when you're making an active page on your website. So I'm going to rename this client testimonials. Okay. Now, you have two different options to choose from with these widgets. Remember, widgets auto-populate information onto your website. So the two different options are the testimonials carousel or the testimonials list. With the testimonials carousel, it currently will only alternate through the carousel 4 different reviews. Okay, so you're limited to only 4 there. Now, when you do the testimonials list, you can display up to 10 different testimonials. So I definitely recommend testimonials list. Okay, so all you have to do is click on testimonials list, hold it down, and bring it over to this page. And once again, you'll see that green line. That means that's where that is going to drop. So let go, and it brings it here. So obviously this is set up and it's ready to be configured. It's got the gray overlay because that means it has not been configured yet. How we configure the widget is we click on that button at the very bottom right here, configure widgets, and then you click on testimonials list. Okay, so once you're on this page, for the headline, which is the bolded part at the top here that currently says from our clients, we can just put client reviews here. And then for the intro text, here's a fun little phrase to say, see what our clients think. I'm going to change it to see what my clients think. And then client details, this is where you choose what you want to display from your testimonial review onto your website. So I like the first name and the last initial and the city and the client sense, but I do want to uncheck neighborhood. Okay. And then here are 2 different testimonies that I already have from clients. Now I do want to show you a trick really quick. Okay. To get these to pop up, they had to have already submitted on your website. Let me show you on your leave a review page. Okay. Now, if you don't want to take the time to send this link to your clients that have already filled out a review on a different website, let's say Zillow, Facebook, etc., then you are welcome to go and copy and paste their information into here and submit it yourself so that you can get these reviews onto your website. So, for example, I have a review on my Facebook right here that I want to add. I'm going to copy her review right here. And I'm just going to put her name and the first initial of her last name. And then I can't remember her address, so I'm just guessing something. And then I'm going to put in here the client since 2019. And then 5-star review, don't forget to put the stars and make sure your clients know if they're doing it, because if they put no stars accidentally, it's going to give you a 0-star review for that. Okay. And then just paste the review right here. And then it auto-populates. Yes, I would recommend Christina. So you can just leave it that way. and then you click preview testimony, and it shows what it looks like here, and then you can click submit. So once you've done that, when you go back to command to here and you refresh here, I'm actually going to go ahead and just do this, save and apply and save changes. Yes. I'm going to go back over here to my agent site pages, to my client testimonials, and I'm going to edit to show you how this pops up here. So since I already have it here, then I can just click on configure widgets, click testimonials list. And now when I scroll down and click browse testimonials, you'll see this one as well. So we can add that one in there. And now we have all three in there. Okay, save and apply. And now you'll see over here, we have all three of those reviews. Publish page, and then click yes. So once you have published your page, you're going to be brought to this section, which is agent site pages. And you're going to click the add page button and then just click client testimonials, continue. And then you just have your page title, your slug, and your SEO description. Now, some great tips that I had for that, you could do the title as client reviews, the slug could be client dash reviews, and then the SEO could be past client experiences working with agent name or team name. Okay, so once we put those in there, client reviews, and then client reviews. And then for that SEO description, I'm just going to copy this. Okay. I forgot to delete this part. There we go. And then I'm going to put my name here. And then click save. So now when we go to my website, and I'm going to refresh the screen here. Now when I go here, you'll see client reviews. And then you'll see the 3 reviews that my clients have left. So very simple. If you need any help at all, let me know, okay? Have a great day.